Hey YouTube, Joshua C here. In this video I'm going to show you guys a comparison between two different adjustable wrenches from two different countries. So up top here we have a snap-on part number FAD-H8B, and this particular one is from 2015 and it is made in Spain. You guys can see if I open up the jaws, so you guys can see it has the flank drive plus. So I'm going to set that one aside, and the one below it is part number AD8A. So as you guys can see, it's an A, so it's an earlier suffix, and we can confirm that by the date code here. It's 2006. So let's open this up. So these are approximately 10 years apart. They're 9 years to be exact. One's made in Spain, the later one, and it's handled. And this one is a plain handle, and it's made in Sweden. And just right off the bat, if we're going to do a comparison on this, this seems to be this is extremely lighter. Like this, if I bonk you in the head, it'll hurt a lot. This one, my God, this is going to do some cranial damage. You know what I mean? So it's just a funny way of saying this is way heavier. Also, if we look at the cross section, so if you guys can see that, the cross section on the Sweden one is way bigger. So I'm going to disassemble these and show you the differences of the parts. Okay, so I have it all disassembled out. All you need really to do that is a number 1 Phillips, and you go in through here, and this will be the pivot pin for the worm. So check it out. Honestly, they all seem identical. So the Sweden piece is much heavier. Like this is, yeah, it's crazy. But just to confirm, these are interchangeable. So I'll have the non-flank one from the Sweden one, and I can insert it into the Spanish one. You guys can see they're the same. But wow, look at the jaw. You can tell the jaw thickness is different. This is obviously a more streamlined profile, more aesthetic, I guess. But honestly, there's very little difference between them besides the weight. I mean, I can't really tell. So if you guys ever catch a Sweden one, I know these are like, you know, known to be high quality, and then have one made in Spain. Honestly, there's not too much difference. You guys make a comment down below if you guys notice a strength difference between these two. I'm not a really avid user of the adjustable wrench, not a stranger to it, but if you guys have more experience with these, comment down below. This is just a quick overview between two different adjustable wrenches from two different countries made by the same manufacturer. So, you guys take care.